Assalamu alaikum. I am Habibullah bin Kamal. I am from Bogura. I am working as an IT officer at Prospect Limited. Prospect Limited is a software and business consulting company. Our services are ERP software, business consulting service, data science service, freelancing service, training service, and lots of. Within software service, we have the best of the best ERP software provider. We also have an excellent reputation in business consulting. Our software service have the many module as like hospital management, food manufacturing management, feed mill management, fish and frozen management. We also have a feed mill, rice mill, and more than business consulting. Business consulting, financial consulting, operational consulting, HR consulting, sales and marketing consulting, supply chain and management consulting. Freelancing service. Our freelancing service is the e-commerce SEO. SEO means search engine optimization and digital marketing, graphics design and 3D modeling and video editing and VFX. Data science, data visualization like business intelligence and lots of. So no more information coming our office and talk about face to face. That's it. Assalamu alaikum.